Welcome to ANR Solver question 23. Find P square. So how you do that is you have to multiply the matrix P with itself like this. Now a 2 by 2 matrix multiplied by 2 by 2 matrix will give you a final answer as a 2 by 2 matrix in the form A, B, C and D. So how you find A is you multiply the first row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix, and you find B by multiplying the first row with the second column of the second matrix. So and so on and so forth. So let's start solving this. So for A, you multiply 3 with 3, so the first column of the first matrix with the second column with the first row of the first matrix with the second column, the first column of the second matrix. So 3 multiplied by 3 would be 9 and 1 multiplied by 2 would be 2. So you add both of them. Now for B, you multiply the first row of the first matrix with the second column of the second matrix. 3 multiplied by 1 would be 3 plus 1 multiplied by 4 would be 4. Now for the C value of the matrix, what you do is you multiply the second row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. So 2 multiplied by 3 would be 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2 would be 8. Now for D, you multiply the second row of the first matrix with the second column of the second matrix. So 2 multiplied by 1 would be 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4 would be 16. So therefore your final answer would be 11, 7, 14, 18. Because 9 plus 2 is 11, 3 plus 4 is 7, 6 plus 8 is 14 and 2 plus 16 is 18. Now let's move on to part B. Find the inverse of the matrix basically. So the formula for finding an inverse of a matrix is 1 divided by AD minus BC multiplied by the matrix D minus B minus C and A. So all we need to do is basically rewrite the matrix and find its multiplier with this formula. So let's do that. So 1 divided by A multiplied by D, so 3 multiplied by 4, so 3 multiplied by 4, which would be 12, minus B multiplied by C, so B, that is 1, multiplied by C, that is 2, so minus 2. With the matrix, if you rewrite the matrix, A is 3, B is 1, C is 2 and D is 4. So we have to write the D value in the top left, so 4 will come up here, minus B, so you just have to multiply the value by minus 1, so minus 1 multiplied by 1 is minus 1, and minus C, so minus 1 multiplied by 2 would be minus 2. And for A, you directly write the value of A in the bottom right, like this. So your final answer would be 1 divided by 10 multiplied by 4 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. Therefore this is your final answer for part B of this question.